Hola! Let's now take a look at the imperfect, el imperfecto. We have been using the past tense, el pretérito, to describe actions that are viewed as completed when one writes or speaks about the action. We will now study how to describe past actions that are incomplete or continuing, ongoing actions or events in the past, how things used to be in the past, what was happening at a certain time in the past, habitual or repeated actions in the past. When we say used to or would in English, physical characteristics, mental and emotional states, telling time, age, and two actions going on at the same time in the past. The imperfect of regular verbs. For AR verbs like bailar, we're going to remove the AR ending and we will add the following endings. Yo bailaba, tú bailabas, él bailaba, nosotros bailábamos, ellos bailaban. For ER verbs such as comer, we will remove the ER ending and add the following endings. Yo comía, tú comías, ella comía, nosotras comíamos, ellas comían. For IR verbs, we will remove the IR ending and add on the same endings as ER verbs. Yo vivía, tú vivías, usted vivía, nosotras vivíamos, ustedes vivían. Remember, there are no stem changes in the imperfect tense. The ER and IR endings are the same, and all forms will have an accent mark on the first I of the ending. The nosotros form of AR verbs always have an accent mark on the first A of the ending. And finally, the imperfect form of I is había, never habían. For example, había un paciente en la sala de espera. Había 3 pacientes en la sala de espera. There are only 3 irregular verbs in the imperfect. Ser, ir, remember to use a B and not a V when writing these conjugations, and ver. We also have some very important palabras claves. These words are often used to mark the imperfect tense. Todos los días, siempre, mientras y de niño o de niña. Hasta luego.